Hello guys from YouTube. I want to say thank you to everyone to subscribe to Activating channel. And today I want to share with you what happened when the guys, they're using the mowers. I already replaced the PTO switch, and now I'm working here, and I plan to remove the start switch. It is incredible that this mower has only 1 year old. I don't know how they use the mower. I don't know, man, but I think maybe the ferris made the big mistakes, and they put this stuff over here. Sometimes very difficult to start the mower, so I think that's why they get damaged, the start switch and the PTO switch. Both switches are damaged already. This one is brand new, and this one right here I ordered on the internet. I hope that work. So if you can see here, I got the two switches here. This is the old one. I got the new one here. Both are the same. They I get it in eBay. They said they are original. I don't know if that's true, but this is the part number, just in case if you want to order a switch. Alright guys, they take me only about 5 minutes to replace the switch, the ignition switch. If you can see, pump some gas here. Look. Very easy to do that. The only thing you need to do is take it off this rubber here and use this wrench, and then take off this. Got to go here in the bottom. If you can see here, we got the cables here, this blue wiring. It's coming one side, so you got the whole thing here. Very simple, man, to take it off and put a new one. Very important to keep your equipment ready for work, because you don't want to lose any time. So then you're ready. Sometimes I don't know why that happens. Okay, let's put some gas here.